Harddwch yn geek. We have a lush treat on the menu for you tonight. Gyntaf, trafodaeth gyda Tamsin nail-biting siawns I chi ennill Bobl bangin' o Curly Willy 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 Willies! Ooh. That's rubbish. Ac yn olaf edrych ar hysbysebion mwyaf ridiculous yn 2015 hyd at nawr. O'r gore. Nawr, gadewch I ni gael trafodaeth am yr hunan neu self. Mae'n diogel dweud, and I think you will agree, bod y hunan neu self yn bach o phenomenon. 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 Okay. Well then, mae hynna, neu self, yn peth cymleth iawn. And according to, wait for it, Wikipedia, ding! Alla edrych am yr hynna'n trwy tyru modd. Gyntaf, dillweithredu athroniaeth. Philosophy approach. Dillweithredu seicoleg. Psychology approach. Ac yn olaf, crefyddol. The religious approach. Okay, who's ready to play a game? This is your chance to win some curly, whirly, willies. Woo! And in your seat you have before and after cards if you would like to fetch them out now. Alrighty then, it's your job to spot all the differences in the time it takes me to sing my hello there, teenage athletic. Don't change yourself, because it's time for Spot the Difference. Brought to you by Tamsin Food operation and liposuction. Spots and doubts are part of being young, yeah. High school is the place to be when you're all going through puberty. You should be having fun with your friends. day. And I'm the host who keeps you in sound with the Tamsin Grifiths, with the latest, greatest, woo! But the difference round. So every afternoon when you need to shave, just think about tomorrow was a fresh new day. Yeah, now baby, yeah. The glasses are cool and you are too. It's human nature that we all must do. Cause if you act up, so is your having fun. Reality call. I'm unique. Bam. Weird, different, creative, check. Queer, star, loud, proud, extreme, supreme. At times, geek, 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 geek. So let you shake it since you lie in bed. When you are proud to be inside your head. Because if you stand out from the crowd, uniqueness is a blessing and you should be proud. So don't performance to come when you're young and having fun. When you're young, when you're young, young, when you're young, when you're young and having fun. Woo! Time is up, shambones. Ha! Now then, let's see how you all did. Is it just me, or is that a lot of changes? From gripped to fake, in just one click of a few buttons. Ha ha! Okay, now head perception. Edrych ar y hysbyseb yma. So, felly, os dwi'n bita hyn, wna I gael hot guy on some beach. Okay. Oh my OMG. Oh, look at that butt. It's so big. Yeah, right. Diet pills, Mercedes. Diet pills. Right. I once had a friend, right, Bailey Diamond, and she was massive, and I mean huge.